Hey, welcome back, my Salsa Moto family. Hopefully you guys are all doing great. Back here in the garage, I got the new bike. You already know. If you didn't see it, I'm pretty sure you guys saw it by now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video. I know it was a little bit on the longer side, but yeah, I was just so excited. I couldn't believe that I actually pulled off. I was in pretty much in disbelief. Now I'm pretty much grounded. I'm back to reality. I'm good now. So I'm doing different things now. So we're back to building, I guess, putting more parts in to the bike. So you remember, Onyx, I had a lot of love for that bike. It's the first bike I've ever taken apart and ever like dug in deep, you know, all the way into the engine. Like I've never ever done anything like that. Most people was like, oh, you must be a mechanic. No, I'm not. I've never opened up a bike before, never done this on my own, never had any of those things. I don't have the experience. I don't have any mechanical background. The most that I did was change an oil filter, maybe an air filter. That's basically it. And that was on a car, not on a bike. I have done oil changes on the bike. Taking off a back tire to get a new one. But other than that, I've never done anything as extreme as I did with Onyx. When I say Onyx, I mean Yamaha R1. If you guys haven't seen any of my videos, go back to the previous ones. I'll probably throw some links down below into the description if you guys want me to. Throw some comments below and I can tag you on some videos with that bike. Yeah, bought that bike in 2019. Right at the end, at the tail end of 2019, right before buying this house. And yeah, it was a great bike. However, it had its flaws. It's very aggressive. It's got a very aggressive stance. It was just very aggressive. It was hard to get super comfortable in it. Like long rides, you would last about maybe 5-10 minutes and you're already struggling moving around on the bike. Like your back was hurting, your wrist. This thing, you are legit sitting in the bike. It's amazing. You're in it. You're in the bike. You're in the bike. Handlebars feel a little bit higher, which even with Onyx, I put on Healy risers and it was better. It was so much better. However, it was still uncomfortable. I took the ride over to the dealership. I went ahead and changed the clip-ons back to the OEM. Yeah, and I forgot, it's super aggressive. This one is basically stock, with the exception of the exhaust and the fender eliminator. This bike is completely stock. Oh, it's got lever guards. They've added those, so if you can see here, they added these lever guards, which these don't come stock. They came with these bikes, and they're the expensive ones. You guys can see that. It's insane. This bike is completely insane. Yeah, that's the SC Project that it came with. And then the tail tidy, like it came with this. Super happy with my purchase. It's a bittersweet moment. But in other news, we do have a package that arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing really quickly so you guys, you already know it's. So we'll go ahead and unbox this real quick. Just need to unravel her. And there it is. It's the Puig windscreen. So we'll go right there. Let's see how easy this install was. The R1, I remember, was a little bit of a hassle. So hopefully this one is not so bad. So let's find a proper setup. And yeah, continue recording. Well guys, that concludes the video. Short, sweet, and simple. Just wanted something to, yeah, that's basically welcome to the first mod. First mod of the S1000RR. Yeah, she's badass. Thank you guys for checking out my channel. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I do upload a video. Throw some comments below. Let me know what you think of this bike. And once again, we thank you for being part of the Sasso Moto family. Peace.